And how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. Today we are going to be making onions stew. I added one tomato, I added water, all my spices are inside, onion, garlic powder, ginger, turmeric, nutmeg, bay leaf, everything are in them, salt and maggi. So I will leave it there to cook for 30 minutes. All those meats, I have goat meat, I have abode, I have Sharky, all types of meat are in there. So we'll leave it there and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. We'll come and check on it later. So this is our meat that's been cooking 30 minutes now. I will off it and remove it from this pot. But I will add my oil. That's my oil. And after that, I'll be adding my diced onion and my shallots. So I'm going to stir it. So after that, I'll add my onion. This is my onion. I blended it with pepper, and that's how it looks like. So I'll cover it and allow it. I will not be adding any salt or any maggi because I added a lot in the meat stock. So I'll cover it and allow it to be there 3-5 minutes. 3-5 minutes, yeah. Let's check on it, okay? So I'll stir it, and after that I will add, this is my fried fish and my kpomo already cooked. I didn't cook it with the meat, and I will add my meat. So I'll cover it to cook more. I've not added any maggi or any salt. So you see here cooking, guys. Look at it. The taste is beginning to get better. So we'll leave it here and allow it to still cook more until the taste is okay. Check. So the taste is better now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add some meat stock. So that is my meat stock with the tomatoes. The reason I added these tomatoes is this, so that it will not be white. It will add a little bit of color to it, and as you can see, it's not white, it's a bit colorful. So we'll leave it here to steam for 5 minutes, and our onion stew will be ready. So this is the final look, wow, of this stew. I'll be offing it now. That is the end look of this onion stew. If you like it, share it, like it, comment. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.